In which of the following states is there hardly any differences in day and night temperatures? A. Rajasthan, B. Bihar, C. Kerala, D. Punjab. C. Kerala. For which dance form did Vasundhara Doraswamy get Sangeet Natak Akademi Award, Akademi Puraskar, for the year 2019? A. Mohiniyattam, B. Kathakali, C. Bharatanatyam, D. Kathak. C. Bharatanatyam. The dancers Padma Subramaniam, Alarmil Valli, Yamini Krishnamurthy and Anita Ratnam are great exponents of A. Mohiniyattam, B. Odissi, C. Bharatanatyam, D. Kathak. C. Bharatanatyam. Which of the following states won the Santosh Trophy in Riyadh in March 2023 after a gap of 54 years? A. Karnataka, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, D. Andhra Pradesh. A. Karnataka. Which of the following statements is correct about Article 129 of the Constitution of India? A. It provides for the Supreme Court to give advisory opinion to the President. B. It provides for the Supreme Court to be a court of original jurisdiction. C. It provides for the Supreme Court to be a court of record. D. It provides for the Supreme Court to be the highest court of appeal. C. It provides for the Supreme Court to be a court of record. Indian classical vocalist Pandit Jasraj belonged to which of the following musical gharanas? A. Patiala Gharana, B. Dadri Gharana, C. Gwalior Gharana, D. Mewati Gharana. D. Mewati Gharana. Articles 29 to 30 of the Constitution of India deals with A. Cultural and educational rights, B. Right to freedom, C. Right to equality, D. Right to freedom of religion. A. Cultural and educational rights. As per the 18th Periodic Labour Force Survey, PLFS, the unemployment rate among females aged 15 years and above in urban areas declined to in January-March 2002. C. A. 9.7%, B. 9.2%, C. 7.8%, D. 8.2%. B. 9.2%. Which of the following is connected with daily atmospheric weather changes? A. Asthenosphere, B. Stratopause, C. Troposphere, D. Lithosphere. C. Troposphere. According to the Census of India 2011, which of the following states has the lowest literacy rate? A. Kerala, B. Tripura, C. Goa, D. Mizoram. B. Tripura. In which state is the famous Brihadeshwar temple situated? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. In which year did Robert Hooke introduce the term cell? A. 1875, B. 1675, C. 1665, D. 1765. C. 1665. Which of the following is an example of capital receipt in the government budget? A. Sale of government bonds, B. Income from government-owned enterprises, C. Tax revenue collected from citizens, D. Grants received from foreign countries. A. Sale of government bonds. Which of the Abhinays deals with the use of costumes, jewelry, facial makeup, etc.? A. Vachika Abhinay, B. Aharya Abhinay, C. Satvika Abhinay, D. Angika Abhinay. B. Aharya Abhinay. Pandit Bhajan Sopori, who died in the year 2022, was a famous player of which musical instrument? A. Ravan Hatta, B. Tabla, C. Sitar, D. Santoor. D. Santoor. Which of the following best defines transfer payments? A. Payments made to individuals in exchange for their labor or services. B. Payments made by the government to individuals without any corresponding production of goods or services. C. Payments made by businesses to their shareholders as a share of profits. D. Payments made by individuals to the government in the form of taxes. B. Payments made by the government to individuals without any corresponding production of goods or services. Who among the following is the author of the book Red Earth and Pouring Rain, a novel? A. Vikram Chandra. B. Shashi Tharoor. C. Ashwin Sanghi. D. Ruskin Bose. A. Vikram Chandra. The Nuakhai festival is observed on Panchami Tithi, 5th day of the lunar fortnight of Bhadrava, August to September, the day after Ganesh Chaturthi. A. Odisha. B. Assam. C. Meghalaya. D. West Bengal. A. Odisha. Which country is hosting the ICC 2023 ODI Cricket World Cup? A. Pakistan. B. South Africa. C. India. D. Australia. C. India. Which of the following is an autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar? A. Unbreakable. B. Laying It My Way. C. My Many Trysts with God. D. I Am No Messiah. B. Laying It My Way. In April 2023, Tamil Nadu passed a bill banning which of the following? A. Gutka. B. Online gambling. C. Lottery. D. Liquor. B. Online gambling. In which stadium was the final match of ODI Cricket World Cup 2011 played? A. Eden Gardens. B. Wankhede Stadium. C. Feroz Shah Kotla Stadium. D. D.Y. Patil Stadium. B. Wankhede Stadium. Mitra Mela was a revolutionary organization founded by A. Bhupendra Nath Bose. B. Khudiram Bose. C. Vinayak Savarkar. D. Sisir Kumar Bose. C. Vinayak Savarkar. Which is the Gaussian unit of kinematic viscosity? A. Ampere. B. Joule. C. Stokes. D. Darcy. C. Stokes. Who among the following freedom fighter lawyers from Bengal is known as Deshbandhu? A. Chittaranjan Das. B. Durga Mohan Das. C. Bipin Chandra Pal. D. Satish Ranjan Das. A. Chittaranjan Das.